Hey guys, today I wanted to make a video. If your Tripac controller is bad, you took it to a dealership and they told you that your Thermo King controller HMI is not working, and it's gonna be $1,100 for a new one. Before you buy a new one, you might want to try this trick. What you can buy online is Deoxit D5, and it's for electrical stuff. Basically, it improves contact and get rid of any kind of like a rust or oxidation and protects the electronics. That's good for electronics. And you can spray around your terminals, and you can open this one up and you can spray around it. My main issue was that this thing, when I turned it on, doesn't stay on cool. It will go to fan or it will go to hot, but it won't read cold that have it set on cold. Some people might have experience with the middle one where you set it on cool, it doesn't read that point. It's reading something, it's not cooling all the way down, or it's not going to heat, or it's not able to lower the cooling down. It's always on max cool. So you just spray it in the terminal. Make sure you unplug it. You don't want to do it when it's connected. But yeah, so this is a tool. It's a $17 item, and if it works on your faulty controller, it will save you almost $1,100, which is a win-win, whatever way you look at it. So that's my recent experience with Deoxit D5. And if you're having a similar issue with that controller and contemplating should you spend $1,100, especially in today's economy, used units are like $600 or $550, and it's not guaranteed that will be working. Like you buy it in 30 days it stops working. You never know. At least with a new one, it's gonna work. But yeah, that's like a $17 fix. You can they sell it on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box if you guys want to check it out. So this is for the Evolution series controller. If you guys are having your trouble and your HDMI controller is faulty, and you're contemplating should you get a used one or a new one, I say try the option third one. You get the spray and try to take each of these dials out. This one you can't really take out. I try it wouldn't come out, but this one does come out. You spray around the terminals and everything. You spray here good, and make sure you spin them when you do spray it. So all the spray, the lubricant, the material gets to each nick and corner, and hopefully the contact starts working, and it saves you almost $1,100. I'd rather keep that money in my pocket than give it to a dealership. Hopefully, guys, this works with you guys too. And if you like what I post on the channel, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the ring button. And you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.